Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Toyota 86 GTS Coupe, stock reference number 4928. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 3rd month 2021. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 red top, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, suit track car, left-hand headlight, left guard, has one large dent down the bottom. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Manual type console. Manual gear shifter. 6-speed. Heater controls, factory sat-nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control, phone and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.